Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Realme 12 Pro Plus for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then search for the simple mode, click on it and then select enter simple mode. Now you will see that all of the icons as well as the text becomes much bigger, so it's much more accessible. We can also navigate to the settings and they are a bit limited as well. And that means it's really hard to break or change something on your phone if it's not intended. And to exit the simple mode, you can find the button on the bottom, click on it and then select exit to remove the simple mode from your phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.